A Car Repossession Guide. Chapter 1. If you don't pay, they take your car. Getting a vehicle repossessed. Lenders can repossess your car if you miss a payment without telling them in advance. It's almost like a mortgage except there's no advance warning. If you miss 2 or more payments, the lender still holds the title to the car, so he files a legal paper and gives it to the repo man he hires to go get it for him. If you can't keep up on your car loan, ask for better terms. The car dealer wants you to keep your car and make payments. It's easier for him. He has enough problems trying to sell his other cars. If you can't afford the car, give it back rather than get it repossessed, which trashes your credit score. You still owe the money on the car, but if the dealer can sell it, that's subtracted from what you owe. If you don't pay, it goes on your credit record. If you get repossessed, it's embarrassing for neighbors and coworkers to see, and there are fees if you want the car back. If you want the car back after repossession, there's an extra fee over what you owe. Your credit score is still trashed. Some people try to get other people to take over payments. I think the website leasebusters.com does this, but if the lease is still in your name, you're screwed if the buyer of your car doesn't pay. When you borrow money to buy a car, you should know that the lender can repossess if you miss a payment or for any default, a violation of the contract. The lender can repossess without advance notice. After repossession, the lender might be able to accelerate, meaning the lender can require the borrower to pay off the entire balance of the loan in order for the borrower to get the vehicle back. The lender can sell the vehicle at auction. The lender might be able to sue the borrower for the deficiency if it sells the car for less than what the borrower owes. This is true even in voluntary repossessions. The lender cannot commit a breach of the peace, for example, breaking into a home or physically threatening someone, in the course of a repossession. If you know you're going to be late with a payment, talk to the lender to try to work things out. If the lender agrees to a delay or to modify the contract, be sure you get the agreement in writing. Some states have laws which give consumers additional rights. Contact your state or local consumer protection office for more information. Free booklet Vehicle Repossessions. Federal Trade Commission, FTC. 6th and Pennsylvania Avenue, NW. Washington, D.C. 20580. consumer.ftc.gov/articles/vehicle-repossession. Car repo websites. nationalrecoverynetwork.com, Repo National Recovery Network. allthingsfrugal.com/f_carloan.htm, getting out of an upside-down car loan. ehow.com, how to protect yourself against. nfa.org, 410-728-2400, National Finance Adjusters. repoman.com. rever.com/video/1358671/how-to-avoid-a-car-repo. swaypowerlease.com.